Okay. Reasonably basic packaging, but we got this direct from SVBONY in China. Okay, right. Okay. That might be okay, but I've got a proper tripod. Okay, what's in here? Oh, okay, the phone holder thing. Oh, sorry, I keep hiding that. Move this out the way and then put this here. Right, that and instructions, the little tripod thing. Let's have a look at the main event. Oh, there we go. Get rid of that. Okay, that's quite a nice case, to be fair. Oh, nice. A lens cloth and more instructions. That's quite nice, to be fair. It's lined nicely. Seems to be made of like a reasonable sort of ripstop canvas. Wow. Okay, it's got a decent lens cap, spring loaded. That's always very handy. Oh, and everyone said that this used to fall off quite easily, but look, that's pretty good now. That actually, you know, goes on reasonably tight. So we've got 20 power, 40 power, 60 power. Awesome. And then that's, I'm guessing, that's your focus ring. And then the base, that's pretty much set up to just go on a standard tripod system. Oh, and there's a sunshade on there as well. Oh yeah, cool. Well, I'll nose through it. Let's have a look. I mean, it's going to be wobbly as hell because I'm looking for it, but let's have a look. Oh, you've got to have your eye right on the eyepiece, to be fair. Well, okay. Well, initial thoughts are, for the price we paid, it looks nicely made. Well, there we go. SVBONY. 20 to 60 by 80.